Tacos are a popular and versatile Mexican dish that have become a beloved meal option around the world. They typically consist of a soft or hard tortilla shell filled with a variety of ingredients such as seasoned meat, beans, cheese, lettuce, and salsa. One of the reasons tacos are so popular is their ability to be customized to suit individual tastes. With a wide variety of fillings and toppings available, tacos can be adapted to suit any dietary restrictions or preferences. Vegetarians can enjoy tacos filled with grilled vegetables or beans, while meat lovers can opt for options like beef, chicken, or pork. Tacos are also a convenient and affordable meal option. They can be found at street vendors, fast food restaurants, and gourmet taco shops. Many people also enjoy making tacos at home, as they are easy to prepare and can be served as a quick and tasty meal option. In addition to being a delicious meal, tacos also have cultural significance. They are an important part of Mexican cuisine and have become a symbol of the country's rich culinary heritage. Tacos have also become a popular food trend in recent years, with many restaurants and chefs experimenting with new and innovative taco fillings and flavor combinations. Overall, tacos remain a beloved and versatile dish that can be enjoyed by people of all ages and backgrounds. Whether it's a classic beef taco or a unique creation with unconventional fillings, tacos remain a delicious and satisfying meal option.